Hello FloWav enthusiast, and welcome to another edition of FloWav Tech Talk. In a previous video, we discussed the proper methods of installing a spring ring with an attached PSA-AV sensor. Today, I want to go over the techniques used to install a ring, which has the capability of securing both the PSA-AV and FloWav's newest sensor, the Stingray Ultrasonic. So with that in mind, let's get right to the action and highlight our scissor jack ring. When you receive your scissor jack ring, the scissor assembly and the Stingray mount will not be attached, so attaching these items will be the first task at hand. Start by locating all the parts you need. You should have the scissor jack assembly, 2 threaded posts, 2 screws, and the retaining clip. Have you got everything? Good. Now, ensure you know the dimension of the pipe in which the scissor jack ring will be inserted. Then, select the appropriate assembly positioning holes. Insert one of the screws into the pre-drilled hole of the retaining clip. You will then slide the retaining clip onto the male end of the band with the open side facing outward. Slide it around the band to the desired positioning hole that most closely matches your pipe diameter. Then, slide the Stingray mount onto the ring by inserting the loose end of the ring through the large slotted opening. You'll find that located on the top and rear of the mount. Once that's been done, slide the male end of the ring into the female end. And after that's inserted, it is time to install the scissor assembly. You'll want to adjust 2 of the scissor jack arms in line with a screw and attach one of the threaded posts to the screw and tighten. Now, you can place a second screw through the corresponding assembly positioning hole and repeat the process of aligning the scissor jack arms onto the screw and tightening the threaded post. Once you have completed these steps, the assembly band should look like this. You can make your adjustments by rotating the adjustment nut left and right, which will increase or decrease the diameter of the ring. Now that we have the scissor jack assembly mounted, let's move on to installing the Stingray and the PSA-AV. Slide the Stingray onto the mount and secure the cabling to the band. The scissor assembly will need to be slightly offset from the top of the pipe so that the Stingray and the PSA-AV can mount either directly on the 12 and 6 o'clock positions or slightly offset if needed. With that in mind, attach the PSA-AV to the sensor jack ring using the same technique we discussed in our spring ring tech talk. Once the scissor assembly and sensors are mounted to the ring, you are ready to dive in and install the equipment. Please stay safe and always follow all required safety regulations, and happy monitoring. I hope this installment has been helpful, and please feel free to contact us at www.flowwave.com or 855-2FLOWAVE. That's 855-2FLOWAVE.